What's up, everybody? Marissa Romero here, and welcome back to the channel if you've already subscribed, and welcome to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. My name is Marissa Romero, and today I'm going to be talking about, what the heck are sales funnels? Because I always get asked this question from people that are new to the online space, like, what is a sales funnel? And it typically goes with, like, what is email marketing? What is an autoresponder? Like, how does it all work? When I remember my first year, into my online businesses, I was having the same exact questions. I'm like, why is email marketing so important? How do you do it? And what is a sales funnel? And what does that mean? So basically, a sales funnel is the process of taking a visitor to your website and turning them into a prospect, and then eventually converting them into a customer, a client, or whatever it is that goes with what you're offering, your products or services. So it's taking them through this process. It could be as simple as a 2-step process or a 22-step process. There's simple funnels, there's complex funnels, but when you're talking about the online space, you're talking about the process of, here I have a little diagram here, but you're talking about the basic thing of getting prospects. So these would be targeted prospects. It's hard for me to spell in front of the camera, but prospects, and then turning them into leads, nurturing these leads, giving them value, nurture, and then give value, to have them understand like who you are, like what your business is, why they want to go with you for whatever product or service you're offering. And then you want to make the conversion here at the bottom, and you want them to turn to sales. So that's the idea of a funnel, is taking them from prospect to sale, all the visitors that come to your website. And very simple way to explain it, for the online way, because we're talking about online sales funnels here. I mean, there's, physical, real world sales funnels, like the typical one being the drive-thru at McDonald's, where you're going through the drive-thru, you see the menu, and they funnel you in with all the beautiful looking menu items, the ice cream, the burgers, the fries, whatever, salads. And then as you go through the funnel, you get to the window and they're like, okay, would you like fries and a drink with that? That is called an upsell in the funnel. But they're taking you from prospect to visitor, through the funnel to a lead, and then once you make that sale, that's the end of the funnel. So that's kind of, there's funnels everywhere, but we're talking here today about online funnels. So the other thing you'll have is that when you come to a page, we've all been there, we've all been on a website and had to opt into something, right? So you have your opt-in page where they give their name and email. Okay, so you have your opt-in. That's like step 1, and your opt-in form is always on a squeeze, or squeeze. I like to call it a landing page. I don't like the squeeze, just never made sense to me, but landing page. So that is the page where you will have a little bit of a description of what it is, a headline, maybe a picture, a video of what it is you're offering, and then you'll have the opt-in form right beneath it, or it'll be a button right below that video or headline or whatever, and then they click the button and a pop-up comes up with their name and email form where they could type it in, and they capture the lead. So then the third step is the thank you page. So this right here is the thank you page saying, hey, thank you subscriber for opting in to what I have to show you. And then once you get that lead, and once they see the thank you page, what happens next is usually from your autoresponder or your email marketing platform, an email is sent to them right away. Okay, so it'll send them, the link to whatever they were offering, the free ebook, the downloadable, whatever it is. It'll send them, an appointment link so that they can make an appointment to talk to you. Okay, so, and the reason why sales funnels are so important, no matter what part you are in your business, is because you're always going to need something that bridges a lead before the offer, because you will never make sales, I promise you, if you send a lead directly to an offer. Like if you say, oh my god, look at this link, buy it, they're never gonna buy it. You have to capture the lead and then go send them through that process. But also, that's where your funnel combines with email marketing, because let's say over 5 days of them opting into your list, over those next 5 days you send them some type of value, and they get to know who you are, your brand, your business, the services that you offer, and that's the way you increase your conversions and you increase your sales in your business. So I hope that helped explain exactly like what a sales funnel is. That's kind of like the basic sales funnel. There's obviously more complex funnels, but if you're, watching this and wanting to get into sales funnels and you know it's important to your business, which it is the next step of taking your business and scaling it, then the program I use is called Kartra, and it saves you money because it has an email autoresponder in it. You can create beautiful landing pages, squeeze thank you pages. It has email automation. It has the ability to host membership sites. So if you have a digital product, you can put that on there too. And it's I've been using it now, and the first sales funnel that I launched, I made $400 within the first 12 hours. I was like, whoa, this is crazy. So my number one top recommended sales funnel platform is in the link in the description below. You can get started, test it out for $1 for the first 2 weeks. It's really easy. Then after that, you can get started for like $87, and that includes everything that I talked about plus many more. So I hope you found this video super helpful. Please give me a like. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, because I deliver videos like this weekly. And Marissa Romero here again. It's been fun. I will see you on the next video.